some Detroit Lions Bud Light. Just picked up a case of this yesterday. After I got to work, I had like 3 cans last night. I got the 24 can bag thing. I do like a ASMR for a little bit, having some beers for a little bit. My Saturday's been pretty good. Woke up about 8 o'clock this morning and I got this one package delivered to put on this one thing to put on the back of my bike so I can like put groceries and stuff in it. Well, that was like a real early arrival between 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. this morning. Well, brought that in. Well, before I put that on my bike, I did up got some more laundry going. Then I did up some dishes. And then I put that on my bike and had some coffee as well. Then afterwards, then I got around and went to church. And after church, rode around for a little bit, did some videos. And then I went to Big Boy, had whatever they had on their menu, because they got like a few new stuff on their menu. I had these, they got like 3 small cheeseburger things, 3 sliders, and then they got like 3 chicken sliders. I had the 3 burger sliders, and they got loaded fries mixed with like some sour cream and other stuff. I had that to go along. Did a video for my regular channel doing that. And after that, just rolled around, did a few other stuff, and then afterwards, then I came back home, chilled for a little bit, then went out fishing with my dad. And then we got home about 7:30ish. Well, about 7:20, 7:30. And then we just been chilling, and then got dinner ordered for us, and I just ate mine, and he's eating his right now. Really nice weather, up in the 80s or so today. Yeah, now I'm just watching AEW Collision for a little bit. So how's your guys' Saturday been? Y'all been doing anything exciting today? How's the weather where you guys are at? I have about 3 more of these, and then call that it. Because can't drink too much, since I work tomorrow. Yeah, Michigan, they won, I think 28 to 10 or 13, something like that. this week. Be on the lookout for that, and be on the lookout for a few more ASMR videos. Tell you when the beer wants you to belch. You know, me and my dad, I gotta get with him, me and him. It's gonna have to do like an ASMR bonfire sometime. That'd be awesome. I mean, we got a grill on the side of our apartment by us, but like, since we live in an apartment, like, I think it'd be too difficult because someone would drive by with music playing, or kids are usually still maybe outside around this time or something, and people are bringing their dogs and they're barking or something, so that would really be hard for us. I know sometime me and him need to do the ASMR fishing video. Maybe we'll have that set up sometime. Maybe try to get that in next Saturday or something. I don't know. Oh yeah, I probably mentioned it on my other channel, but not sure if my dad has mentioned it on his ASMR or his regular channel, but on September 28th, we're going to be going, well, maybe. I know it's like about 40 or 60 bucks or something, so I don't know, it's up to him, but Mick Foley will be in Kalamazoo as the mattress, and he'll be signing autographs and that, I think from noon to whatever time, so that'll be interesting. If me and my dad go, we'll be able to see Mick Foley. And if y'all follow me on my other page, The Big J Man, maybe, I'll have a video of that on my other page, and, my dad will on, his page or whatever. And if we get a picture took with him, then, hey, maybe, I'll do a picture ASMR or something, like I have in the past. So yeah, just be on the lookout maybe. But I don't know, it's up to my dad, like, I don't know if I want to go, like, just expensive, like, white money and stuff. Crazy. Because I know years ago when RVD came to the mall here in Battle Creek, I was seeing the newspaper, it didn't say, like, he had to pay money to get his autograph. But all of a sudden I got up and then got his autograph, and all of a sudden, you gotta pay. And it's like, what? Like, my dad and me didn't know about it because it wasn't in the paper. And the paper just said he was gonna be at the mall. And it wasn't me, only me. Like, I remember somebody else, they were getting his autograph, and they didn't know nothing about it. So that's one bad thing about the communication with like the paper. It wasn't in the paper and stuff that time. So do you guys have like beer cans like of your guys' teams? If so, which ones? Hope the Lions go in tomorrow. Almost had the bell tray there. Just switching up like, some sounds and stuff and that. beers in the fridge and that, like a little cold, but not too cold. But doing my next ASMR video. See ya.